Morning everybody. How is everyone doing? Today we are going to make bread, a masala bread. I have already made videos on making bread. I have made 2-3 videos in making pizza, in making bread rolls, bread. So today we are going to make a masala bread. In masala bread, what all do we require? They are the same ingredients. I have shown you the measurement cups. We require 2.5 cups of madam maida or any other maida. Then I require dry instant yeast 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 small cup of milk, which is warm milk or half milk, half water, or only water. That is up to you. Then I require for kneading, to aid in kneading and to give it a little greasy texture, I require oil 2 tablespoons, or you can use ghee 2 tablespoons, or you can use butter 2 tablespoons. So mix up everything and start kneading. You have to knead it nicely. Pull, stretch, fold. Pull, stretch, fold. Pull, stretch, fold. Be gentle on the dough because there is yeast inside. In case the milk is hot or you are banging and hitting it, the little fellows will get hurt and your bread will not rise properly, so it will not come out good. So be careful with that. Now the yeast that you use is dry instant yeast. Nowadays that is the yeast everybody uses because you can directly put it into the flour and start kneading. You get many brands. You can have a look at the Amazon site and take the best one, whichever you like. Usually the Prime brand is used, but there are many other brands also which can be used. Now knead this for at least for 15 to 20 minutes. After you start feeling that the texture is getting soft, you can roll it up and keep it for first proof. Add a little oil. It should not be dry. And cover it up and let it rise to double the size. Keep it for 1 hour. That I use after dinner coffee cup. I use 2.5 cups of madam maida. This is the teaspoon I use. 1 teaspoon of dry instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. And rest you can add garlic, you can add garlic seasoning, you can add sauce, you can add red chilies, you can add pasta, oregano, whatever seasoning you want to give it a nice taste, because we are making masala bread today. And a big tablespoon you need for butter, 2 big tablespoons, or oil or ghee, whatever you want to use. And 1 cup of warm milk or half milk, half water, or only water, but it should be lukewarm, it should not be very hot. After 45 minutes, the dough has doubled in size, so I'm going to knead it for another 10 minutes and punch out all the air, and then keep it for another 5-10 minutes. Guys, now I'm going to punch out all the air and knead it for another 5 minutes. And then I'm going to keep it for 10 minutes and then roll it out into whatever shapes or bread, whatever I want. So punch out all the air. See, it is full of air. It has become so big and bloated and fluffy. Punch out all the air. See, the texture is also very good now. It will give a good bread. Punch out all the air. Roll it for 5 to 10 minutes more and then roll it up. Keep it in the tray for another 10 minutes. After this we will roll out the bread in whatever shape we want and then put it in the oven. In size lot of air. Punch out all the air. Punch out all the air. There's no need to knead because now the dough is pretty soft. Punch out all the air and let us shape it now. I'm taking little dry maida because it will become easy to shape. Cut it into two, roll it up, spread it, oven tray, add some oil to it and grease it properly, and put on the oven also at 200 degrees temperature 20 minutes. Put it on for 2-3 minutes so that it warms up before keeping the bread. Now take this bread, roll it out, add little dry atta, dry maida, and roll it with a rolling pin. Roll it with a rolling pin. See, if you want to add little cheese or butter, you can put it in this layer here. This is one layer. You can add butter in this layer. Now roll out the other one. Add little dry atta and roll this also. Place it on this, roll them both up. Make it same level. Now roll it like this. बंद कर दे जरा कभी पानी. Close the ends. Roll it properly. Give it some cuts. And place it on the baking tray. Leave it for 10 minutes. Let it rise to its maximum size and then add little butter or cold milk and keep it in the oven for 20 minutes 200 degrees temperature. Minutes. Add little butter, oil or cold milk lightly over it. That gives it a nice shine and color. Place it in the oven 20 minutes, 200 degrees temperature. My bread is done, 200 degrees temperature. See, it's giving a nice color. I think this is called a baguette, no? Baguette, what is it called? I don't know. For me it is bread. So I'm going to place this on a wire rack. Let it cool down. Then I will wrap it up in silver foil. Bread is ready. Now I've kept it to cool on the wire rack. Do make this bread and let me know how it is. It is very simple, to make. You feel that it is difficult to make a bread, but it is very simple if you take the right measurements and make right quantity and use proper yeast. Okay, so my bread is ready. Very tasty, yummy masala bread. And you can apply butter after you remove it from the oven. Apply some butter on it. It gives very good taste and shine to the bread. And do make this bread. It is very simple. You feel that it is difficult to bake, but if you use the right proportions and proper yeast, then it will come out very well. Main is you have to use very warm milk or water that you use for kneading. It should not be very hot. Keep that in mind. And the yeast you can use is dry instant yeast, a good quality one. Do make this bread. Let me know how it is in my comments. Please do like, subscribe, share my video, and do have a good day. Enjoy the bread with tea and let me know how it is. This will taste best when you use it with white butter. Homemade butter is best, otherwise you can use any white unsalted butter. It tastes very good. You can use jam, you can use chutney, and use it with soup, eat with soup. It is a very delicious masala bread. You can have it as it is without any butter also. Still it will taste very good. Have a good day. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.